Hi, I'm Daniel and welcome to DC Drives. And in this video I'm going to review the Citroen DS21 from the 70s. If it's your first time here, I make automotive content like POV Drives, reviews and cinematics. I upload a new video once a week, every Saturday. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing, it will help me a lot. Alright, this is one of the classiest cars ever made, but yet futuristic for its age. Its shape was made like this to have the lowest drag coefficient. It has a hydropneumatic suspension, where each wheel is not connected to a spring, but to a hydraulic accumulator sphere. I'm not going to explain how it all works, because I would bore you. But just so you know, you can adjust the ride height of the car by using a lever, like how the owner of the car does right now. After some time, the car starts to slowly sink to the ground as the hydraulic system depressurizes. The headlights are without the fairing, and that's one of the first time to be like this and not sticking out of the body. And it has directional headlights, and the DS was among the first ones to have this particular feature. These are just some reasons why I think that this car is actually a futuristic classic car. It was made 50 years ago, and yet it has some characteristics that are just now beginning to be standard on many cars. Now, I have to say, the looks of this car are something exceptional. You can't really hate it, or maybe you can. Who am I to say what you can like or dislike? Tell me in the comments if you like or dislike the looks of the DS. I'm really interested of knowing what you think. The front is enormous. It even stores the spare wheel and oil for the hydraulic system. Anyway, this one has the 2.2 liters, 139 horsepower engine with electronic fuel injection from Bosch, which made the DS one of the first mass-market cars to use them. It has a 5-speed manual transmission that is mounted on the steering column. I forgot to record the boot because I'm an imbecile, so you'll have to trust me when I say that it wasn't that big nor practical. There are just so many details on the DS21 that I would have to make 1 hour long video to show them all and explain them. But if you want, I uploaded a cinematic of this car where I just show the car details without this annoying voice in voiceover. So check it out if you want to see more of this beauty. Did you know that there even is a racing version of the DS? It competed in various rallies around the world, and it even won some. The seats in the front are something incredible. They feel more like couches than normal seats. Originally, it has no seat belt. The owner put them after, just to have some safety in case of accidents. The dashboard is not your usual thing. In fact, it confused me a bit when I first got into the car. One gauge is just used to indicate various things, like if the lights are on, if it needs oil, and other things. It has a fully working analogic clock, and who doesn't like to have one in their own car? The steering wheel is something unusual. The pedals are insanely difficult to use if you're not a child, but at least the air conditioning works. In the back, it's just something unbelievable. The seats are so nice that when you sit, they eat you. And it's like sitting on 10 soft pillows, yeah. My only complaint is that when you have to enter, you have to be careful. As the hydraulic system loses pressure, the car goes down. So you have to first get down to the level of the car, then you can try to get inside. You have to get used to the drive of this car. As I mentioned before, the brake and accelerator pedals are really close to each other. Even the owner sometimes finds tricky driving it, but the ride is something astonishing. The suspensions are something good even for today's standards. Now I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the exhaust and some flybys. And if you like this video, remember to subscribe.